be and to hit the road. Well, if you're a wheelchair user or you have a mobility impairment, the job is a little bit more complicated. Vehicles have a lot on the inside. Modifying door openings, adding wheelchair lifts, it costs a lot of money and you lose a lot of space. The Glide & Go XR is a simple and elegant solution to that problem, and it's also transferable from vehicle to vehicle. So you have a seat which raises, rotates, locks in place, and allows you to transfer in. We also have a standing version, the Glide & Go XR standing lift. Okay? So what's neat about our product, you've got a seat that'll lock in position, and when you sit down, it locks in position. You take our locking arm here, rotate it into the mid position here at a 45-degree angle, rotate in. So let's show you how it works. First, we're going to transfer in. Connect the seat belt because we're pretty want to fall out of the seat. Dependent control comes from inside the vehicle. So as we rotate here, as we raise, actually remove the lever from the bottom position, put it to the 45-degree position, and then rotate freely into the vehicle. Now when we get all the way up and in, we're going to rotate it to the 90-degree position, lock in place, and transfer out, and we're going to know that that seat's not going to move. Lock it in place, seat belt off, push on the seat, anywhere. Now here's the neat part. When the user's on the inside and that person wants to just move it out of the way for a non-disabled person, it's easy to do it from the inside or the outside as the user or as the assistant. Now we told you that the seat is moving. So when you get hit the road, move the seat, put it in a storage compartment. Rotate to the 45-degree position. All the way up position also locks in place. This can be stored on the inside, and you're ready to hit the road.
Plug in, remote. Lower lift, and swing out. Step on lift and raise yourself into camper. flip-out tray was added on for no gap walking into camper. Now you can easily walk into your camper without walking up the stairwell. Coming out of the camper, as easy. Once on ground, you can easily walk off lift platform. Electric double step is able to come out in full extension. Platform has easy pull pin and swings under coach for storage and travel.
For those of you that haven't seen a Super Arm lift, this is a Super Arm 2000. What you have is 1-inch webbing that runs to the chair. A lot of times they're permanently wrapped around. These are temporary. I just run an S hook on the end of the chain. Hook goes to the chair, and this setup is a little bit low right now. Normally this switch is a lot more convenient. You'll see it mounted way down here. But with as low as the trailer is today, this is where we ended up. And it'll lift me off the ground. You could stop at any point and just hang here. And then I just kind of got myself through the door because I didn't meet the minimum width requirements according to the installation guide. So you'll see it just barely fits through and sets you on the ground inside. I hook up, make sure there's tension on everything, and it'll just lift the chair up, bring you and the chair. I'll pass the step to set you on the floor, on the ground.